There, it's nice to see you all again, and it is a trading day, the first trading day of the week. Tuesday, as you guys will know, we are looking into AMC. A lot of people are going to say today for AMC it's been a loss, it's been boring, it's been a terrible day. And I can see why. The price is down by about $1.50. It may sound like a large amount, but let's look at the larger picture and let's actually look at why and let's actually look at what this means. Because today, whilst the share price may be negative, it has been good on multiple deeper levels for AMC as a company and also for us in the short squeeze scenario. So as always guys, I am not a financial advisor, I never provide financial advice, this is just my personal opinion, but we're going to jump into that in this video. If you may enjoy it, give it a like and subscribe because we talk about AMC, GME and other stocks and cryptos all the time here on this channel. Follow us on Twitter at N2S Finance. I will retweet and tweet about AMC and other stocks all the time. Again, it is at N2S Finance, very similar to how it is on YouTube. Join us on Patreon, link to the Patreon down below. And you can also join us on Markets Daily, our website about the stock market. Link to that is also down in the description, or you can just Google markets-daily.com. Now we're going to jump in and have a look at AMC, starting off actually on the more fundamental level, and actually look at the figures for today when it comes to the amount of shares being shorted and that kind of stuff. So clearly today we've seen short interest remain at 18.24%, so that is the figures that we have seen today. Thankfully this was tweeted out 7 hours ago from Matt's course, so very nice of him. Utilization 85.05%, shares on loan about 95.5 million, and this is coming from Ortex. So this is really good for many levels. People are going to say, well, what is going on now? Why are the shorts not covering? Or have the shorts even covered? That is one stupid thing that I am seeing people use to spread FUD. Well, the shorts haven't covered. People are going to say that the shorts can cover without us knowing. Well, if that's true, guys, why did we see that little squeeze for GME? Fortunately, as I have said many a time, we have had our test here before with GME. We have seen the numbers with GME, and don't get me wrong, by no means do I expect it to be the same, but it does give us a little bit of a level of what we are looking for and what we are in for going forwards here with AMC. So yes, we are not seeing shorts cover today. We are still seeing very high short interest, very high utilization, and a high number of shares on loan. So please don't let people trick you into thinking otherwise. And it does make sense that shorts continue to short, as you guys will know. From their point of view, it does make sense because they are so deep into this mess, they definitely have to try everything that they can to win, because if they lose, they are going to probably lose very, very big time. Anyway, down here we have information about dilution. I'll post about this on Twitter in just a few moments, but this is coming from Adam Aaron 8 hours ago. So Adam Aaron here on Twitter basically posted, "It is no secret that I think shareholders should authorize 25 million more AMC shares, but what you think is important to us? Many yes, many no. AMC does not want to proceed with such a split, so we're cancelling the July vote on more shares, and no more shares will happen in 2021. Big information, guys, and I think this is a good sign. One thing that we know about Adam Aaron, and I know that a lot of people have been writing articles about it today as well, he is definitely one of the more loud CEOs of these quote-unquote meme stocks, and I hate to use that term, but yes, that is what we are calling them, just to generalize them. He is a CEO which talks about this a lot, and I think it really is good. And now he's showing that he is actually repaying the shareholders in a way, in the sense that, you know, if he had have authorized more shares, it does give the hedge funds potential to buy those shares or even use those shares to cover. And again, that would take shares out of our hands. So the fact that he is not doing this is good for PR because it shows us investors that he is not going to do anything like that bad, and it also shows us a reason to buy more. And obviously it also shows the hedge funds that actually you're not going to get your hands on 25 million more shares because we are not selling them. And I've heard a few theories today, and again, it's nothing more than theories, but some people believe that this was Adam Aaron's plan all along, saying that actually what Adam wanted to do was, you know, pretend that he was going to authorize these 25 million shares and then actually not do so. But what would happen then is that the hedge funds would continue to short, thinking that they could use those 25 million to cover, and actually it's not going to happen now. Now, whether you believe that or not is a completely different thing. I'm not even going to get involved on that, but it's just one thing that people are saying when it comes to AMC. So obviously, look a bit wider out, look at the fundamentals of the business, look at where we are going. They're clearly not going to be issuing any more shares, and that is fantastic for us. It puts us in a much better position for a squeeze, as you guys will know, as you know, it doesn't really give the hedge funds and the shorts a bigger chance to cover with those additional shares. So that's good to see. I'm happy that we do have that info. Now, when it comes to price for AMC, we've seen a very boring and similar thing over the past 5 days. Downtrend, but slow downtrend. So downtrend today, downtrend for the majority of last week, and that is getting boring now. But guess what, guys? That is what they want you to think. From about the 17th of June, we've had lower highs and actually lower lows as well. So we've seen the price go down, down, and down, and actually down a bit further. Today has been relatively flat. I know it is down, but yes, relatively flat. So, you know, it's not too bad. And again, we could be seeing a bit of a move upwards going forwards after that healthy consolidation late today. But I do not believe it matters anyway. I think this could potentially be a game that is being played by the shorts, by the hedge funds, by the big money. Because think about it, guys. They're probably trying to get you bored. Because, you know, this is something which is going to cost them a lot of money. And they have definitely tried every single tactic in the book at the moment, from the FUD tactics to the, you know, fear-mongering tactics of issuing more shares, to all sorts of stuff. You know, shorts have covered all that sort of stuff, and it is not working. They're definitely going to have to try everything that they can to try and save their business, but I do not believe it is going to be enough. I think we are still going to prevail in the end. So yes, the price can dip a bit lower. The price can probably dip to the $45 range. Again, I definitely don't think it will, but I definitely think it is a potential low. I think that we will stay in the $50 range roughly. I think we definitely would stay above 48, but I'm definitely prepared to see this one drop to 45. No hate on AMC. The reason for that is obviously because they're trying everything that they can. Look out to the other short squeezes that we have seen in the past. Look at Volkswagen, guys. Volkswagen dropped all the way down to prior levels where it was before its first pump, and then after dropping to prior levels, you know, dropping quite a lot of money, then it saw a massive, massive squeeze. And I just think that is something that we should remember. I think patience is going to be a big thing in this situation. So whether the stock price continues to drop, whether the stock price continues to rise, I'm going to be looking at the data, I'm going to be looking at whether the shorts have covered, and making my personal mind up based on that. Tell me your strategy down below. I'll see you soon. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching. See you soon.